The BIZ extension identifies a BizTalk orchestration file containing business process workflow definitions for Microsoft BizTalk Server integration middleware. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you deploy or troubleshoot these orchestration files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the BIZ error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. BIZ files are Microsoft BizTalk Server orchestration definitions that describe business process workflows, message routing logic, and service integrations. They define how BizTalk coordinates messages between internal applications and external trading partners. BizTalk BIZ orchestration files are XML-based workflow definitions compiled into DLL assemblies for deployment to the BizTalk Server runtime engine. They describe process flow using shapes such as send-receive decision and scope blocks in the orchestration designer. The recommended application from Microsoft Corporation for handling BIZ is unequivocally Microsoft BizTalk Server. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows lacks built-in execution for many script types, requiring external engines. Initiate the process by right-clicking the BIZ file and choosing Open With. Use Microsoft BizTalk Server as your first choice if available. If it's missing, move down the list. Finding the right reader might take 2 or 3 attempts. If the BIZ file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Let's immediately implement 3 focused troubleshooting steps to find the underlying issue. First, deploying orchestrations. Open the BIZ file in Microsoft Visual Studio with BizTalk Server developer tools installed. Build the solution to compile the orchestration into a deployable assembly. Use the BizTalk administration console to deploy and list and start the orchestration. Next, debugging orchestrations. Enable orchestration debugging in BizTalk administration console and attach the Visual Studio debugger to the BizTalk host process. Set breakpoints in the orchestration designer to step through message flow and inspect variable values during test message processing. Finally, troubleshooting failed instances. Review suspended orchestration instances in the BizTalk Administration Console's Group Hub. Examine the error details for each suspended instance and check the Windows event log for BizTalk runtime errors to identify the root cause of orchestration failures. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.